So dear students, today in previous video we were talking about the preparation of nitrogen and its properties and uses. Now here we are going to talk about the compound of nitrogen, and in compound of nitrogen we are going to talk about the ammonia. Ammonia preparation. Very easy, Ammonia is present in small quantities in air and soil where it is formed by the decay of the nitrogenous organic matter, example urea. So when urea, that is NH2CO, NH2 is the formula, when reacts with water to H2O, then it's give first ammonium carbonate, then ammonium carbonate decompose into the ammonia, water and carbon dioxide. So like this we can prepare the ammonia in the laboratory. Only you have to add water into the urea, you will get ammonia. On a small scale, ammonia is obtained from the ammonium salt which decompose when treated with the caustic soda or the calcium hydroxide, that is ammonium chloride, that is the ammonium salt. When react with the calcium hydroxide, ammonia is produced, water is produced and CaCl2 is produced. That is our priority idea. Here ammonia is 2 times and 2NH4Cl because Ca is twice. તો ક્લોરીન બે વાર જોઈશે એટલા માટે અહીંયા Cl એનું રિએક્શન કરેલું છે. સેમ થિંગ એમોનિયમ સલ્ફેટ ઇઝ રિએક્ટ વિથ ધ NaOH. Ammonia is produced, water is produced and Na2SO4. So these all things are very easy for you. Now here we are going to study that is the very important process, and this process is known as Haber process. So dear students, on a large scale, ammonia is manufactured by the Haber process. Ammonia is prepared by adding nitrogen into the hydrogen to produce two molecules of ammonia. Here this reaction is exothermic reaction and 46.1 kilojoule mole is enthalpy come out from this. So that should be your topic. Okay, in accordance with Lee-Sattler principle, at high pressure would favor the formation of ammonia. To obtain optimum conditions for the production of ammonia, you have to remember this point કે આ ઓપ્ટિમમ કન્ડિશન એટલે કે એવી કેવી કન્ડિશન ક્રિએટ કરીએ કે આપણને મેક્સિમમ એમોનિયા મળે. વી હેવ ડિસ્કસ લોટ અબાઉટ ધીસ. 200 into 10⁵ Pascal, that is about 200 atmospheric pressure. Temperature nearby 700 Kelvin, that you know now, 773 Kelvin temperature. And catalyst use as a iron oxide with the small amount of the promoters. You know here promoters are used is K2O and Al2O2 O3 to increase the rate of attainment of equilibrium. The flow chart for the production of ammonia is shown in below figure. Okay, iron was used as a catalyst with the molybdenum as a promoter. તો જુઓ આ ફિગરની અંદર એક બાજુથી હાઇડ્રોજન અને બીજી બાજુથી નાઇટ્રોજન એડ કરવામાં આવે છે. વચ્ચે કોમ્પ્રેસર મૂકેલું છે જેનું પ્રેશર છે 220 મેગાપાસ્કલ, એટલે 20 મેગાપાસ્કલ એટલે નિયર બાય 200ના ઉપર જતું રહે છે અને એ લોકો કોમ્પ્રેસરથી આ બંનેને દબાણપૂર્વક અંદર હાઇડ્રોજન અને નાઇટ્રોજનને ખેંચે છે અને ત્યાર પછી એ દબાયેલા હાઇડ્રોજન અને નાઇટ્રોજન એ આયન ઓક્સાઇડ અને એલ્યુમિનિયમ અને K2O પ્રોમોટર જેમાં છે એ ચેમ્બરમાં જાય છે. એ પંપ એને અહીંયાથી પ્રેશર આપીને મોકલાવે છે અને ત્યાં બંને એમોનિયા પ્રોડ્યુસ થાય છે અને આ એમોનિયાને પછી લિક્વિડ એમોનિયા તરીકે બહાર લેવામાં આવે છે, લિક્વિડ ફોર્મમાં આવે છે, પછી તેને ગેસ ફોર્મ કરીને કન્ટેનરમાં મુકાય છે. So this is the interesting talk about the ammonia. Now here we are going to study some physical properties of the ammonia, and you can see ammonia structure જો જરાક ધ્યાનથી. So this is the structure of ammonia. In structure of ammonia you can see that કે નાઇટ્રોજન એ ત્રણ હાઇડ્રોજન સાથે કેવી રીતે એટેચ થયેલું છે. એક નોન બોન્ડિંગ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર છે અને નોન બોન્ડિંગ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેર નાઇટ્રોજનને દબાઈ દે છે. સો sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશન જેવું દેખાય છે, પરંતુ sp3 હાઇબ્રિડાઇઝેશનના અંદરનો 108 એંગલ હોતો નથી અને એના બદલે 107.8 ડિગ્રી આપણા પાસે એંગલ છે. બોન્ડ લેન્થ છે 101.7 picometer. Okay, and that's why it is going to tough B. So now we are going to talk about some another property of ammonia, and ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent odor. Its freezing and boiling points are 198.4 and 239.7 Kelvin respectively. So freezing point and a boiling point આપેલા છે, that you have to remember. In the solid and liquid state it is associated through the hydrogen bonds as in the case of water, and that accounts for these higher melting and boiling points than expected on the basis of the molecular mass. એનો મોલેક્યુલર માસ કેટલો છે એમોનિયાનો 17 છે. હવે 17 જો મોલેક્યુલર માસ હોય તો મેલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ અને બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ ખૂબ જ લો રહેવા જોઈએ, બટ એની અંદર હાઇડ્રોજન બોન્ડ્સ છે, એના લીધે એના મેલ્ટિંગ પોઈન્ટ અને બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ હાઈ થઈ જાય છે. દેટ યોર નોલેજ. ટ્રાઇગોનલ પિરામિડિક આપણે હમણાં જ જેનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર જોયું છે. ઓકે, ઇટ હેઝ 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pairs. That also we have discussed about that. Ammonia gas is highly soluble in water. Its aqueous solution is weak base. You know that NH4OH, NH2, NH3 plus H2O, that's produce NH4OH, and it is weak base. Okay, it forms ammonium salt with acids. Example, NH4Cl, NH4 twice SO4, etc. HCl સાથે NH4Cl અને H2SO4 સાથે NH4 twice SO4 આપે છે. As a weak base, it precipitates the hydroxide. Okay, so hydride oxide in case of the some metals of many metals from their salt solution. For example, zinc sulfate when react with the ammonium hydroxide, zinc hydroxide is produced. Similarly, FeCl3 react with the ammonium hydroxide to produce Fe2O3 H2O, and ferric oxide ના આપણને brown precipitate મળે છે, ઉપર ઝિંકના white precipitate મળે છે. તો this can be used in the laboratory during the practical that we are going to study in previous furthermore in future. The presence of the ion lone pair of the electrons on the nitrogen atom of the ammonia molecules makes its Lewis base. Everyone know કે લોન પેર છે એટલે લुईस બેઝ રહેવાનું. It donates the electrons pair and forms linkage with the metal ion and form such a complex compound. So ammonia is another important compound which can make the complex compound with some particular metals like copper and silver. So you can see here, when it is react with the copper and when it with the copper, it produces Cu plus 2 plus 4 ammonia, gives a deep blue color CuNH3 twice tetrais, that is the tetraamine cuprate ion. Okay, similarly with AgCl, first produce AgCl and then ammonium, then it is colorless colorless PPT. White PPT will be converted into the colorless PPT. So this is the complex. Okay, so that can be the major idea about the ammonia. Now finally, uses of ammonia. Ammonia is used to produce various nitrogenous fertilizers like ammonium nitrate, urea, ammonium phosphate, and ammonium sulfate, etc. And it is manufacture of some inorganic nitrogen compounds also. The most important one being nitric acid also prepared from the ammonia, and liquid ammonia is also used as a refrigerant. So this is the very interesting topic. In case of nitrogen also we were talking about the refrigeration, and in ammonia case also we are talking about the refrigeration. So okay, fine. Okay, now final question for you. Why does ammonia act as a Lewis base? Because ammonia is containing one lone pair of electron, and that's why it is behaving as a what? It is behaving as Lewis base. And with this we are ending this topic, and in next video we will meet soon.